Hey everybody, I got the replacement Speedo cable. I wanted to show you a couple things. One is that the cable should slide. And actually, you can pull this completely out from the Speedo side. And this is the part that hooks up to the transmission. So my goal today is to get the transmission side hooked up and then slide this through the grommet. I did order a replacement firewall grommet, but I wanted to show this to you. I'm also going to pick up some graphite. I hear you want to use graphite, not grease or oil in these, which kind of makes sense because you don't want it to get gummed up like this one. So this was the original. I believe it's the original. And the thing is, this, I can't even move this. Like, this is completely stuck. It's not only is the tip the end damaged, but it doesn't slide through there at all. It's just completely jammed. So that's a big problem. But I would like to also point out, and I know you can't tell because visually they look the same, but the original one is quite heavy. I would say it's twice as heavy as the replacement, which is weird. I can't really see a lot of difference, but what can I show? I can show you. This has got a pretty substantial internal cable or internal wrap covering. I'm not sure this one does. So the replacement, even though it looks like it's going to fit okay, it looks fine. It's just way lighter. So I'm not sure if that's good or not, but that's an observation. And I'll show you next where this connects to the transmission. It's down on the passenger side down there. It goes, so the Speedo cable, I'll show you later, but the Speedo cable comes out of the firewall, it goes across the engine bay and then down and then back. All right, so the next thing will be, I do have to stop at the store and get the graphite, and I'm gonna graphite this up before I try to install it. All right, I'm back from the store. It's a few hours later. I got some of this powdered graphite lubricant. And that's all it is graphite. And for those of you who have never used graphite, it's just a little black powder. It's what pencils are made out of. Pencil lead, we call it. So what I'm gonna do, besides make a mess, I think I'm just going to fill this little connector area, or put the graphite in there, and then I'll pull. You can pull this completely out, but I'm not going to pull it totally out. But you see the spring looks like it has something on it, or maybe it's just a little bit of surface rust or something. Anyway, I'm just going to coat this whole thing with the graphite, but I want to do it that way. Yeah, and I'm not an expert on this. I'm just guessing that's a good way to do it. Don't listen to me, you guys. Do whatever you want. But I'm just gonna put some graphite in this thing, spin it around, and then we're gonna get it on the car. All right, we're under the car. I wanna show you guys where this hooks up the Speedo into the transmission. It's right there. And that is, here's the transmission filler. Let's see if I can open this up a little. Where am I? Here's the starter. We're going to use this clip right here. We're going to run the cable through that, and then we're going to go up here. But first, we're going to try to, and I have to contort myself. We got to get this guy up in there. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back. All right, we got it hooked up. It's running there, and it's running right along this area right in there. And then it's running up through that. Before, it was actually touching the exhaust pipe, which is right here. So I'm going to try to keep it up a little bit. I might need to put in something to hold it, or I'll put in a little I'll put in some insulation here maybe, but this is good for now. All right, I just want to show you guys where the cable runs through that little retainer, and then there's one here on the firewall. So that's gonna go there, and that is right about there. So up there, and then it goes across to the other side. All right, you guys. Now for this next part, I'm gonna ask some of the younger viewers to turn away from the screen, because what we're gonna do, we're gonna insert this part, and I made a little protective rubber part to protect this little tip, because the tip is very sensitive and we don't want anything bad to happen to that. So I got that, and then we have to put it through this grommet, and you can see the hole's pretty tiny, but I think we can get it to go through with enough lube. So I've got this super lube silicone oil, and you know, maybe some of you will learn something from this, I don't know. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be very careful, because this is the part right here that got messed up on the old cable, and since it's already connected down below, it'll not retract now. It's gonna stay sticking out like that. But we're gonna try to get it through the hole anyway. Wish me luck. Hopefully I'll see you on the other side. That was easier than I anticipated. So that was good. I mean, it was good for me. I don't know. I don't know how it was for you guys, but so now we're gonna run it through the firewall, and that is right here. And there's where that is. And we're gonna put the cable through, and then I'll pop the grommet in, and then we'll be ready to get it into the Speedo. All right, guys, it's really hard to show, but that's the connection right there. Yeah, back of the Speedo is in. All right, that's the cable coming in. Comes in somewhere over there, right there. So cramped. All right, I'm gonna get out of here.